Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a quick update to my powder room. Stay tuned for the end result. I am starting with a very blank canvas. It has not had any decoration or anything added to it, so I prepped the walls for painting. This is the paint that I will be using for the walls. I did not share the full process of painting the walls because it did take me a few hours to do so and give each walls 3 different coats. I did leave one of the wall blank. That is because I will be adding wallpaper to it. I will be removing the builder grade mirror to replace it with something more beautiful. But however, I did forget to remove that mirror while I was painting that wall. So what I did was go back and remove the mirror and everything that was used to hang it on the wall, prep that spot and got it painted. If you are here for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. If you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our next projects. Since the new mirror was not going to be hanging the same way as the old one, I had to remove the things that were used to hang that old mirror and patch the wall so it could actually fully be blended and painted. Once I was done to paint that last part, I proceeded to the blank wall to add my wallpaper. I was able to find this beautiful black and gold one from Amazon. It did take me a few to actually fully put the wallpaper to that wall, and once I was able to do so, it did turn out so beautiful. I also realized that I should have definitely painted that wall before I tried to add the wallpaper, just because I could see on the borders there was still white paint showing. Do not forget, if you have gotten that far in our video, to go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, share with your families and friends, and also if you have not already done so, go ahead, subscribe to our channel for our next projects. The combination of that wallpaper and the green paint makes such a beautiful and big difference already in the powder room, but let's continue with the changes. With the help of my husband, I will be replacing that light fixture with this black and gold one that matches perfectly to the wallpaper. Please remember, whenever you're doing any electrical work, to turn off the electricity source. Once the electricity part was completed, I added the glass to the light fixture and also the light bulbs. As we continued to move along, my husband was able to also hang the mirror. We simply used all the hanging tools from the builder grade mirror to add this new one to the wall. He ensured that the mirror was straight and also secure. I then cleaned the mirror to make sure that it was spotless. And this is how the project turned out. We were able to paint our walls green, add some wallpaper to accentuate the space, and also replace the old light fixture and the old mirror to those beautiful brand new pieces. And to finalize the project for now, I was able to add this corner shelf to add more space to the powder room so we can add accessories and decors. To make the powder room more customized, I added this monogram hand towel that I was able to get directly from Amazon. It is so elegant and it elevates the space. My goal for this powder room was to create a welcoming space for our guests, and I can definitely say I was able to create this, and definitely without spending a lot on the whole project itself. This is the final result of the powder room. That one is our downstairs one. I will also be creating the same idea with our second floor powder room. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If so, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already done so, go ahead, subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.